I'm Jala.
I'd like to welcome you back to our weekly Facebook Live. So we go live every Friday at 3 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time.
So we're super excited to announce that we are extending our 65% off essential oil sale until Monday.
That's right. So you can still get 65% off all of our single notes and essential oil blends with discount code EO65 until Monday, October 9th.
And since we're extending this sale, we thought it would be fitting to show you 2 DIYs on using the essential oils.
Yes, so the first DIY that we're going to be showing you will be a hair serum. So now that fall is here, you might feel like your hair is a little bit more dry than usual. So that's why we're going to be showing you how to make a hair serum.
I love hair serums.
Yes. Happy Friday, Donna. All right, so what you'll need is a 2-ounce bottle of castor oil. So we do have this is one of our new carrier oils on our website, and it does come with an awesome dropper. You'll also need lavender essential oil, ylang-ylang essential oil, and rosemary essential oil.
So castor oil is so great for your hair. It's a natural humectant that attracts moisture to the skin and to the scalp. It's rich in ricinoleic acid and omega-6 fatty acids, and it helps with blood circulation to the scalp. This causes your hair to grow. It also helps fight infections and dandruff. Castor oil is a good remedy for hair loss, and it does prevent hair loss. It helps with preventing hair loss, and it's excellent for frizzy hair or dry hair and split ends. And this oil is pretty amazing. It's thick, so it's going to be perfect as a serum.
Yes, so it is a thick serum, a thick oil, if you can see it here.
Yeah, it's pretty thick.
Nice and thick. All right, so what you're going to do is you're first going to take 10 drops of rosemary essential oil. So rosemary essential oil is actually great for your hair. It helps stimulate your scalp and
Smells so good.
Yeah, and it helps with hair growth. So you'll do 10 drops. And I'm putting it directly into the castor oil because we're going to be applying that directly onto our hair. And then next you're going to take 5 drops of ylang-ylang essential oil. So ylang is great if you have hair fallout due to things like stress or even alopecia. So it'll help prevent hair fallout. So 5 drops of ylang. And then last you're going to do 5 drops of lavender essential oil. So lavender is actually really great to help soothe your scalp. So if you have dry hair or if you have dry skin, it actually helps heal it. So I'll do 5 drops of lavender. Okay.
So how do you apply this serum?
So what you're going to do is, I suggest applying it overnight because since it is a thicker oil, you're going to want your hair to absorb it in. So what you're going to do is, we'll shake this up really good. What you're going to do is, can I call it lang lang for sure? Sure, you can call it whatever you want to call it. Lang lang. So what you're going to do is you're going to part your hair into sections and then apply it with your dropper directly onto your scalp and just brush it through your hair.
I love that serum. I'm totally going to use it on my hair.
Yeah, it's great.
So guys, I'm going to show you how to make a coffee cellulite scrub.
Ooh, that sounds good.
Yeah, it sounds yummy, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So what you'll need is a cup of coffee grains, and then you'll need sweet almond oil, which we have on the website, so you can check it. It also comes in a 4-ounce, a 2-ounce, and a 10 ml. And then we have cypress essential oil, and then grapefruit essential oil, and of course you'll need a container and something to stir with.
When should I wash my hair after applying it? So it depends on your hair texture. So for me, I have thicker hair, so I wouldn't have to necessarily wash my hair after applying the oil. If you have thinner hair, you might want to wash it the next morning because your hair will feel oily. But if you have hair texture kind of like me or Jala, you can leave it in and it'll be kind of normal like any other leave-in conditioner that you use. Donna.
That's about the hair serum. So, yeah, that's what you'll need. You'll need to start with.
Yeah, cool.
And then, so I'm going to show you how to pour the mix. So you're going to put the coffee grains in the container. I'm spilling a little.
And coffee is coffee actually has antioxidants that help produce more collagen to your skin, so it does help with the appearance of cellulite.
Yeah. And then we're going to add sweet almond oil. It's half a cup in here. And sweet almond oil is an excellent moisturizer. It's rich in vitamins A, E, and B, and really good for your skin. So we're going to stir it here.
Nice. It
The
smells
perfect
amazing.
amount.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add 10 drops of grapefruit essential oil. And grapefruit essential oil is amazing. It's great for cellulite and fluid retention. So I'm going to add the 10 drops.
I love the smell of grapefruit.
It's a really good scent. I love it too.
Yeah, I know.
It's really refreshing. And we're going to stir it in a little bit. And then we're going to add, last but not least, 5 drops of cypress essential oil. And this is really great for cellulite as well and varicose veins. And there you have it. You have your coffee cellulite sugar scrub. And
How do you apply it?
I would recommend in the shower, of course. So what you'll do is you'll take your scrub and you'll put it in the areas that have cellulite and rub it in circular motion and then rinse. And I would suggest that before hopping in the shower, I would definitely dry brush for better results.
Yeah. Oh, you're welcome, Donna. So there are so many great things that you can do with essential oils, like these 2 awesome DIYs that we showed you here today. And now's a perfect time to stock up on your must-haves using code EO65 for 65% off our essential oil single notes and blends.
Yeah, that's a super amazing deal. It's time to get creative. We would love to hear how you use your essential oils.
Yes, and like I said before, make sure you use code EO65 to get your 65% off.
And next week, we're going to have Julie E. back from Julie Health, and she's going to be talking about stress and how to manage it. And she is a registered dietitian, she is a holistic practitioner, and a personal trainer, and so much more.
Yes, and hi Barbara, happy Friday. So Julie she also has a background in science, physiology, kinesiology, and integrative medicine. She's also a frequent contributor to magazines like Shape, Vogue, Glamour, and even Marie Claire, and so many others.
Yes, and we're super excited to have her back next Friday with us to talk more about stress.
Yes. So make sure you guys check out our awesome sale that has been extended until Monday, October 9th for 65% off all single notes and essential oil blends. And as always, we appreciate you guys for watching. We will see you next Friday with Julie E. Health to talk about stress at 3 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time.
Bye, guys. Thanks
Bye.
for joining in.